Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of interior design as we explore creative ways to decorate your modern kitchen hood. Whether you're looking to revamp your cooking area or simply add a touch of elegance, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Our canvas for today's project is this sleek and stylish modern kitchen hood. We'll be using a variety of components to give it a chic makeover that seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetics. First up, let's talk about functionality. These grease, charcoal, and baffle filters play a vital role in keeping your kitchen air clean and odor-free. Installing them is a breeze, ensuring that your cooking experience remains fresh and enjoyable. Ambient lighting can transform any space. Here, we have energy-efficient LED lights that not only brighten up your cooking area but also create a warm, inviting ambience. Let's install them to infuse your kitchen with a touch of modern elegance. Modern design meets technology. With the control panel, touchpad, and even a remote control option, you have the power to adjust fan speed, lighting, and more with just a touch. Convenience at your fingertips. Visual interest is key. Installing a backsplash panel not only protects your walls but also adds personality to your cooking space. Choose a design that complements your kitchen's overall aesthetic. Safety meets style. These heat shields not only protect internal components from excessive heat but also come in a variety of finishes to match your kitchen's decor. A seamless blend of design and functionality. Adding a personal touch is crucial. Consider installing heat lamps for that professional chef feel. Not only do they provide extra lighting, but they also keep your dishes warm and ready to serve. And now, the final touches. The vent cover, exhaust damper, and flue/chimney complete the look while ensuring efficient airflow. These components, designed with both form and function in mind, give your kitchen hood a polished, sophisticated appearance. There you have it, a stunning transformation of your modern kitchen hood using these amazing components. Remember, interior design is all about expressing your personality while maintaining functionality. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy decorating.